Hi, I'm Devin Kloosterboer from Century 21 In Studio Realty, and welcome to 574-461 Side Road 40. We're outside of Markdale on an 80-acre parcel today with a new modern farmhouse constructed in 2021. 45 of the acres are workable, 10 of which are currently pastured for horses. The rest of the 35 is rented out for crops. There's 10 acres of maple bush on the north end of the property, and the rest is a mix of mature trees. And there's also Traverston Creek running through the property. Join me on a ride and we'll tour the property. Let's go. Thanks for joining me today. For more information, please contact me, Devin Kloosterboer, or visit my website, devinkloosteboer.com.